8 surprising ways to use beef tallow. Beef tallow is not just a cooking ingredient, it can also be used in a variety of surprising and useful ways. In this video, we will explore 8 different ways to utilize beef tallow that you may have never considered before. 1. Skincare and moisturizer. Beef tallow is rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids, making it an excellent natural moisturizer. It can be used to nourish and hydrate dry skin, soften rough patches, and even reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Lip balm. Are your lips feeling dry and cracked? Try using a homemade beef tallow lip balm. The natural fats and oils in the tallow will help lock in moisture and keep your lips soft and supple. 3. Wood polish. Give your wooden furniture a natural and beautiful shine with beef tallow. Rub a small amount onto a clean cloth and gently apply it to wooden surfaces. The tallow will penetrate the wood, leaving it looking polished and nourished. 4. Leather conditioner. Extend the life of your leather goods by using beef tallow as a conditioner. Apply a thin layer of melted tallow to leather shoes, bags, or furniture. Allow it to absorb and then buff with a soft cloth for a renewed and conditioned finish. 5. Candle making. Did you know that beef tallow can be used as a base for homemade candles? Its high melting point and slow burn rate make it an ideal choice. Add your favorite scents and colors, pour it into molds, and enjoy the beautiful glow and aroma of your homemade tallow candles. 6. Soap making. Beef tallow has been used for centuries in soap making. Its creamy texture and moisturizing properties create a luxurious lather that cleanses and pampers the skin. Combine tallow with other oils, scents, and colors to create your own unique, homemade soap bars. 7. Lubricant and rust prevention. Beef tallow can also work wonders as a lubricant for squeaky hinges, door locks, and other metal parts. It can also be used to prevent rust on tools and machinery. Apply a thin layer of tallow to the metal surfaces and enjoy smoother operation and rust-free tools. 8. Cooking and baking. Of course, we can't forget the culinary uses of beef tallow. It's a great choice for deep frying and pan frying due to its high smoke point and rich flavor. You can also use it as a replacement for butter or oil in baking recipes to add a delicious, savory taste. So, there you have it, 8 surprising and versatile ways to use beef tallow. Whether it's for skincare, home maintenance, or even candle making, this versatile ingredient is worth exploring. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.